Question, sum of fractions. I want to do 3 by 4 plus 5 by 36 plus 7 by 144 plus 9 by 400 all the way to 19 by 8100. And so it seems like a funny question. We need to get what the sequence is. The numerator is simple enough. 3, 5, 7, 9. That's doable. I think no rocket science there. This is 2 square. This is 6 square. 12 square. 20 square. All the way to 90 square. We have to find a pattern. 2, 6, 12, 20 and so on. And 90 also sits in this. Very interesting. Numerator we can crack, that we know. And that's a sequence, it's a set of odd numbers. That's very simple to do. Going all the way from 3 to 19. The first 10 odd numbers, we're leaving out 1. We're talking about 9 different terms here. Right? So 2, 6, 12. 20. The difference is 4, add 6, add 8. That's one way of thinking about it. The other way, this is 1 into 2, 2 into 3, 3 into 4, 4 into 5, all the way to 9 into 10. And so now we are going somewhere. So let's come back and say, can I define the nth term here? The denominator could be n into n plus 1 whole square. 1 into 2 square, 2 into 3 square, 3 into 4 square. Numerator is 2n plus 1. Odd number. So 2 into 1 plus 1, 2 into 2 plus 1, 2 into 3 plus 1. So nth term, Tn is 2n plus 1 by n into n plus 1, the whole square. I've written it incorrectly here. N into n plus 1, the whole square. 1 into 2 square, 2 into 3 whole square, 3 into 4 whole square. Now we are again back to partial fractions. Tn, nth term, is 2n plus 1 by n square into n plus 1 whole square. You can imagine writing this as something by n square, something by n plus 1 whole square. A by n square plus b by n plus 1 whole square. Think about this, the difference between these two is 2n plus 1. N plus 1 whole square is n square plus 2n plus 1. Or it is as 1 by n square minus 1 by n plus 1 whole square. We should get this. So 1 by n square minus 1 by n plus 1 whole square is 2n plus 1 by n square into n plus 1 square. Denominator is n square into n plus 1 whole square. Numerator will be n square plus 2n plus 1 minus n square, or this is 2n plus 1 by n square into n plus 1 whole square. Beautiful. Now we're done. Now we can simplify this and then go from first term all the way to ninth term. Or we're effectively thinking of 1 square minus 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 2 square, 1 by 2 square minus 1 by 3 square, 1 by 3 square minus 1 by 4 square, all the way to 1 by n square minus 1 by 10 square. This gets knocked off, this gets knocked off, this gets knocked off, this will get knocked off somewhere, and something will knock this off. 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 10 square, 1 minus 1 by 100, 99 by 100. Once again, partial fractions. Breaking a term into two fractions. The moment you break that, you'll realize that all of these terms, bunch of things get cancelled, and you're left with a very simple identity at the end of it. And there are 10 terms here, they'll all split up into pairs. Out of the 20 terms, 18 will get cancelled. We'll be left with only 2, and then game over. Done.